Hey everybody, today's video is just a little bit different. As you can see, I am in my restroom. I wanted to just come on and kind of realistically show you something that I do when I need to do a quick style. I want something curly. I want something that's going to give me more volume. So I thought, let me just turn on my camera and let me just film this for you guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this protective style into a quote-unquote wash and go. So I wanted to take you through the steps that I follow to complete that look. And I'm going to be using just two products. I'm going to use the Ancient Egyptian leave-in from the Main Choice, and I'm also going to be using the Ancient Egyptian 24 karat gel from the Main Choice. So this is just really raw. I'm going to first start by taking this protective style down, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I've started with one side, and I've decided just from looking at it that I'm going to keep this twist in. This is going to help me to separate and just focus on the area that I already have taken down. So now that I have this fairly detangled, I'm going to go ahead and start at the back. I'm just going to take a little section here in the back. Now I'm going to spritz it with water. Let's get it kind of damp. Make sure my hair is saturated. And then I'm going to take my leave-in. I have a generous amount. The thing about this look is that I use a generous amount of product. Okay, so I've applied that, and now I'm going to take my Ancient Egyptian gel, and I'm going to apply a generous amount of this as well. I'm going to start off with just a finger amount, put it in the palm of my hand, and just rake that through. And I'm doing what's called kind of the shingling method, where I'm just raking my fingers through and allowing my curls to clump together. I don't know if you can see that. And there are my curls. And I'm gonna move to the next section and do that again. Use my water bottle to saturate. Leave-in. Gel. Okay, so you can see I'm making progress, and just by me running the products through with my fingers, my curls are clumping together naturally. And if I feel a section kind of like this where it doesn't feel like I have enough product, I'm just going to apply a little bit more and rake that in. So I have a very loose curl pattern, especially in the front, and you'll see that as I apply the product. But then after it dries, it kind of gives me a little bit of shrinkage, but I still have that layered look. So I'm going to continue to work with this section. Okay guys, so I'm at the front section. I wanted to show you, you can see that the back is starting to shrink up as it dries. I have a little bit of shrinkage, not much. I still have a loose curl pattern. This side is freshly done, so the curls are a lot looser. But as it dries, it'll start looking like this side, where you can see the curls are more defined. All right, so let's go ahead and work on this section. Same thing, spray with water. I'm just massaging the water through to make sure my hair is saturated. Leave-in. Generous amount. I like to start at the roots and then just finger the product in downwards. Use my brush again. And now I can see where I need to kind of work with my hair. shingling. And you can see my curls are starting to be a little bit more defined now. So for the front, I've applied the product, and now I'm just going to use my Denman brush, run that through a couple of times, and allow the curls to clump together on their own. And after it dries, it ends up giving me some really nice definition, and you'll see that when I complete the look. Alright, I'm done applying the product, and you probably saw this area was a lot straighter. Now it's starting to curl up as it dries. I'm not going to agitate it too much. I'm going to just leave it in place so that it dries appropriately. And so this is going to dry and shrink up as well, just a little bit, but it's going to give me this layered look. I have more shrinkage in the back, but this is what it looks like so far. We'll see how it looks in the morning. Good night, guys. Hey you guys, so it's the morning time, and I wanted to come on really quick and show you the end result of my wash and go. As you can see, I have the curl definition that I wanted in the front just from applying the product and just letting it set. So me brushing it with the Denman brush and just kind of leaving it alone and just, you know, kind of shingling here and there and just leaving it alone for the night helped me to achieve the curl definition that I wanted. And then the back, you can see lots of great curl definition in the back as well. I don't have to do much at all at this point. Probably just pick it in a couple of areas to add additional volume. I may just even pull some curls down back here and pick a little bit. I don't want to agitate it too much because I can get about 7 to 10 days out of this wash and go. But let me go run and put on my makeup. I'm doing a very neutral look for the project that I'm going to be working on. They want me to just come with a very natural face with just like my base on. So I'm just going to do that. Come on one more time just to show you the final look before I head out. So that's it, guys. That completes the look. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave that in the comment section below. Love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.